Okay, YouTube, I'm gonna show you guys something. How to do a hard reset on a 07 through 11 Lexus gs350. Ever wonder why, like, sometimes you get inside your gs350 and have a no crank, no start issue? Some people say change the fuel regulator. Some people tell you to change other things. Some people tell you it's the computer. You go to a shop, you spend $1,500 to $3,000 for somebody to play and toy around with your car, all for it to not be fixed. Okay, here's the issue. You go here. You see those battery terminals? You take off the negative, you take off the positive. You take a long flathead screwdriver and loop it through the negative, loop it through the positive, and loop it through the negative without it being, you can't touch the battery though. Don't touch the battery. Take off the terminals and loop the screwdriver through the terminals and hold both the positive and negative terminals through the flathead for 2 minutes. After you do that, it's gonna hard reset the whole computer system in the car, and then you hook back on the terminals and the car crank. Thank me later.